You know what the crazy thing is? I'm watching a scary video right now. I'm home all alone, right? Here, I'll grab my flashlight and show y'all, because some people may think, look, I'm here all alone. Except my dogs, but... See? I'm here all alone. The crazy thing is, right? The crazy thing is, when I'm shining into my bird's eyes. Usually, right? When my mom and my dad are home, right? And my sister, I'm scared to watch scary videos. But when I'm here home alone, I'm perfectly fine. It doesn't make sense, right? Honestly, I don't know what it is, but I'm watching a scary video. I got my birds. That one, okay. The one that's eating is Coco, and then the one that's by the water is Kiwi. And those are my sister's birds. But I'll tell y'all about that later. Bye.